Today, many farmers face agricultural challenges like soil erosion, loss of biodiversity, and a high demand for mass produce at a higher quality. When I was a child, I remember watching my grandfather and uncles using spoons to dig out the weeds. Then one day a chemical truck pulled up and said they wouldn't have to farm like this anymore. A lot of farmers have to make the difficult choice to use chemical-based products to produce high yields and protect their crops from disease. This can lead to a consistent deterioration of soil quality. That's why Terreplenish is the perfect choice for restoring industrial farmland back into vibrant, healthy soil. Terreplenish is a nitrogen-fixing product made from recycled food scraps and solves many of today's farming challenges. It increases yields with less water. It reduces the need for petrol chemicals. It increases soil microbe population, or microflora. Terreplenish is not a fertilizer, but a soil inoculant made up of living microbes, and it works the same for all crops because the work is done in the soil. Applying Terreplenish enhances nitrogen availability through atmospheric conversion, stabilization, and assimilation. The longer Terreplenish is used, the microbe propagation accumulates as the rhizosphere of the soil changes tilth, texture, and porosity. This allows for better water infiltration and overall soil health. Depending on soil type, we recommend 2 to 4 gallons annually of Terreplenish, diluted with 25 parts water per acre, delivered via any irrigation method you are currently using. Terreplenish has a 2-year shelf life. It's available in volume at a lower price and will save you money on crop protection from harmful pathogens. Protect your fields and rejuvenate your soil. Grow better with Terreplenish.